Here, this is the part. No, not down. Always up. Like that. From down to up. Hold this one. Because I have to do like that, then down. Up, down. Up, down. Massage. Okay. Down. And out. Down. Okay. Should be like that. This one. This is the muscle. This is the one that I have tennis. Up, down. This one, only this area. Should be on there. Should be like because different. How can I face with you? And put this one to my lap. Ano ko sa asawa ko? Massage. Give it to me. Okay. Very good. Okay. From your right hand. Do that with your left arm. Left arm. With your left arm. Massage with the left arm. Like that. Like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, Manag, I don't want you to be tired.
I'm not tired.
I'll do it by myself.
I'm not tired.
Okay. That's it. Tomorrow, magmasa din ako bukas. Physiotherapy. Nawa, tomorrow is the last na siya. Kasi alam nyo, effective talaga ang massage. At saka ano. At saka nagsi-self-massage din naman ako eh. Hindi ko naman pinabayaan yung kamay ko. At saka hindi ko siya talagang ginagalaw na every ano, yung kamay ko. Hindi naman ganun. Kasi alam ko, kahit gumagaling na siya, pero kung hindi ko siya pwede rin galing. Okay, my love ko. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you so much, my love ko. No, I'll do it. It's okay. Thank you so much. Ganon. Kailangan kong anuhin yung area. Dito siya, oh. Ito siya yung masakit. Dito, oh. So, alam mo yung masakit dito, oh. Hindi naman siya masyadong masakit na ngayon. Hindi na siya as in, ano. Dito, oh. Oh, pag iganon ko yung kamay ko, dito. Dito. Ayan. So, up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Kung saan yung area, yun ang ipipress ko. Saan yung masakit. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Alam mo, naligo naman ako pero maraming dumi. Discouraging. Up, down. So, kailangan i-fight, ano din natin yung sarili natin. Alam mo yung self-healing, self-remedy. Magsarili din tayo sumikap para gagaling mismo sarili natin gagaling. Pinapamasad ko rin to minsan sa asawa ko eh. Pero hindi niya masyadong manok kung saan yung area. So, ako na lang magmasad kasi alam ko paano. Ganyan. Minamasad ka dito. Sa physiotherapy kasi minamasad siya. So, yan, ganyan. Ayan. Lagyan ko ulit ng liquid. Ito, liquid. Lagyan ko ulit. Alam niyo maganda to eh. Itong Voltaren is for muscle. Ayan, for muscle. At saka may mint talaga siya. Kaya masarap siya. Yan, makasarap ng pakiramdam. Then, plus ito ay liquid, ay oil na may mint. Oil na may mint. Lagyan na ito ng asawa ko kanina pero gusto ko pa rin siyang lalagyan. Ayan. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Ayan. Kahapon, nung Lunes, nagkaroon ako, pumunta ako sa physiotherapy. Last Monday, I went to physiotherapy. This Monday. And yesterday, Saturday, I went to physiotherapy. Because they said it should be twice a week. And today, Sunday, I have to do massage by myself. So, yun. DIY. Ayan, ganun. Ayan. Ayan. Massage. Ganun yung massage eh. Sakit. Sakit na magandang sarap. Masarap. Ganun. Ayan. Sarap pakiramdam. Ayan. Ayan yung pakiramdam ito. I-compare mo siya. Kahit ganun-ganun ko pa yan. Ayan. Ito lang oh. Hindi naman ako makakaramdam ng sakit pag mayroon siyang rubber band. Rubber band kasi kinukontrol niya yung ito. Ito or may band akong isa, yung dito. Kinukontrol niya, iniipit niya yung ano para hindi siya masasaktan. Iniipit ganyan oh. Ipitin ko. Oh, kahit igalaw-galaw-galaw ko man yan, hindi masakit ito. Hindi masakit yan oh. Igalaw-galaw ko man yan, ito ay hindi masakit. Pero pag ganito lang siya, wala siyang comfort, wala siyang support. So, masakit. Masakit. Pero going to hell naman. Going to hell. Ang sabi doon sa physiotherapy, 8 times daw. Dapat 8 times daw akong pumunta. So, 8 times a month. Pero may i-update to ngayong March 4. Ngayong March 4 ay magkaano na siya. At i-ultrasound ulit para so that I can work properly. I can work with my left arm. You know, it's nice to work with you're already well. You're already, you don't feel nothing, pain in your body. Because it's really difficult when you feel something. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung area masakit o dyan. Ayan. 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 Ang ganda to ng machine. Vibration. Ay, sarap. Pakiramdam. Ito, pag umiinom ako ng kape, when I'm drinking coffee, I always do it with a hot, like it's hot compress like that. Ayan, masad. Okay. Thanks for watching. Uy, ba't sumakit siya? O pag ganun ko? Thanks for watching. Kapag lagyan ko siya nito, hindi siya sakit. Ayan. Hindi siya sumakit. Sarap pag may ganito. Kasi kinukontrol niya, nag-hold siya ng ina-hold niya. Ayan. Gagaling din ako. Kailangan akong gagaling kasi kailangan ako sa trabaho ko. Char. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for watching.